Hi, welcome to Johnson RV. My name is John Holt. Today we're going to look at a 2006 Pleasureway XL TS B van. Pleasureway, built in Canada, very good quality B vans. They still make them today. This one here is in our showroom, and we're going to go through it and take a look. It's on the Ford chassis. It's on a 1-ton Ford. This has the optional 6.8 liter V10 motor in it, so tons of power, and the fuel mileage isn't as bad as you think because it's a high horsepower motor that's pulling not so much weight. So as long as you're not stepping on the gas pedal the whole time, it's actually pretty decent on gas. So moving around to the side here, this is what is called a wide body. It's a regular van, but they built it out just a little bit, so you'd be surprised those few inches inside make it feel quite big. It has an outside shower, so you got hot and cold water outside. Here's the little utility area with the propane tank, shore power, black and gray tanks. You can hook up cable here, and here's the city water to come in if you have got hookups. Right here's the generator. Moving back here, we got the little area for the sewer hose, 6-gallon hot water heater, pretty standard, and this will fill up your fresh tank. It has a 5,000 pound hitch, so it'll easily tow 5,000 pounds if you need to tow a car, or maybe another trailer with another camping trailer or something like that. It's got 2 back doors that open. This being an 06 is approximately 14 years old, but it's in really nice condition. There's all of the seams, all of the paint, everything's pretty nice. Johnson, we only sell premium pre-owned. Anything that's leaked or has had any problems, we're not going to have it in our showroom. We're not going to sell it. So. Oh, that's locked. I can't get in. I believe there's a little storage in there. The battery down here, furnace, fridge. Got 2 doors over here, one for accessing the living part of the RV, and then the passenger door. Also, it comes with an awning. It's a manual awning, but looks really nice. So we're going to go ahead inside and take a look and see what we see. Now we're on the inside of the 06 Pleasureway XL TS. Again, it's on the Ford chassis. It has a backup camera. Here's the dash up here. It's got ultra leather seats. Dash is in really nice shape. The seats are not worn. It's been well taken care of. A B van is considered a motorhome. It has all that features that a motorhome would have. Everything's just a little bit tighter. So they're fully self-contained. It has a bathroom with a shower, has storage, it has sleeping, cooking, a fridge. So it's got the generator. So you got some storage up here to start with. Every little area is used for some storage. And then moving down the side, we've got a galley area with actually some counter space. You could chop some food up here and cook. It's got a 3-way fridge, some drawers, some storage underneath the sink. We've got a furnace right here this will heat this thing up like no problem because it's a small space that we're in. Going across the other side, then we have the bathroom. Really nice bathroom with plastic base. Shower and the bathroom, the shower and the toilet are all in one kind of area. But you got the sink, hot and cold water. Got more storage up front here. This particular one actually comes with a cover. So you got a cover to cover the RV. Microwave. Then moving on back to the lounge and sleeping area. This one has the electric bed. So you just press a button on the couch, comes down, changes into a bed. And then there's a piece of wood that goes in between here 2 cushions. Put 2 cushions in there, and you basically got a king-size bed. You can even leave that set up when you're traveling down the road if there's just 2 people. There are seat belts back there, so if you're traveling with family, they can be belted in back here also. Around the top there's storage all the way around, and it's got an air conditioner built into the back. The overall height is not too high because the air conditioner is mounted a little lower, so that's nice if you can get it under a carport or in certain garage areas. It'll fit. It won't fit in a regular garage, but I think a 10-foot door it'll fit pretty easy. Got some entertainment. It's got a TV and DVD player, stereo. And you open that up, there's a little bit of storage in there. It does have an inverter and a booster here. The stereo, pretty neat little area. You got the cable here and a 12-volt outlet. Well, that pretty much covers it. Yeah, come down and see us. It's, like I said, 2006 Pleasureway XLTS, Johnson RV of Fife. My name's John Holt. Come and see me, and I'll show you the unit. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.